Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. It's Quick Tip Tuesday, but you're getting this tip on a Wednesday because it's that important. If you're driving along and you're starting to hear brake noise, take a second, stop, and see what's going on. Because if you don't do that, it could cost you thousands. This customer was driving along and they were telling me, well, they heard some, but they didn't think about stopping. And then the pedal got soft. Well, let me show you why the pedal got soft. Check this out. So take a second and look right here. What do you see missing? The whole brake pad. When they were driving along, they said they started to hear that noise. They didn't stop to check it out. And it not only wore through the brake pad, it wore through the entire metal backing. It wore down so far, the piston came out on the backside and started spewing out fluid everywhere. Look at the tire. Look at all the fluid around the tire. So if you think about it, when they started to hear that noise, if they would have stopped, it would have just been pads. But now you're looking at pads, calipers, and rotors on both sides. So just remember, whether it's brake noise you hear, or grinding on your front end, like wheel bearings, or axle noise, or universal joints, or whatever you're hearing, take a second, stop, and look it over. It's gonna save you a lot of money in the long run, I guarantee it. All right, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.